Again, we want to say good morning to our pastor, all the way from Uganda. Yes, Uganda in the house. So we want to make sure we say a special thank you to him for traveling this far to help celebrate our 100th centennial anniversary. I see we still have people coming in, and it'll be that way all day long. So if you're still making your way in, please know that you must register to the right of the microphone so that you can make sure that you get your tickets so that you can partake of the delicious food that's being prepared for you. That's right. You want to make sure you register at the table to the right so that you can get your ticket, so that you can pick up your wonderful, wonderful delicacies that have been so graciously prepared for you this morning. I'm going to play a prayer. Father God. So, how do I go? I ride my bike. After you get your food or before, I want
I love when they do that. I love these kids when they do that. Oh my God. That's very hard. Oh, I got goosebumps every time I see them. Nothing is just about staying at mine is free. We got everything going on.
Web page, it'll be on the internet.
How old were you? How old are you now? How old are you now? 10, so a year ago, right? Isn't that amazing? 1 year ago, you heard the message.